getting a drizzle up here and they're 54. Hopefully we don't get soaked today, that'd be nice. And this isn't bad, as long as there's no lightning. The rain's getting heavier. Rain is getting heavier. I don't see it. It must be just right on top of us. It should be to my right. There's rain to my left. Light rain. Well, we're gonna get drenched, dude. I'm gonna turn around. It wasn't raining back there. Let's see if we can wait this out. Which way am I supposed to go now? Well, looks like it's gonna rain this way too. Might as well just go ahead, finish the route. Should really carry an umbrella with me, man. This stinks. It's coming out the tires, more getting me on the back.
And you can see there's blue skies around.
Great, here comes the electrical part. I think it's going to stop soon. I don't think it's going to last very long. But we're still going to get wet. I'd probably be better off standing still, but I don't... Oh, God, I got zapped. Ooh, I got a zap there. Getting wet and getting zapped? Oh, man. I get twice the pleasure. Twice the pleasure, man.
I decided at this point to take my hands off the metal handlebars. I didn't want to get zapped again.
Yeah, my shoes are already soaked. That's what I hate about this. It didn't really rain hard, but my shoes are soaked. Here comes the cop. He's blocking the intersection. Uh-oh. There's an accident right here. The girl flipped around. She got banged on the side and her car is... Her car is flip around. Wow, and there's a truck up on the median too. Not going to get a very good view with this. I thought the rain was going to the left. You see this? This is where the crosswalk was. I alerted them that it was dangerous here. And this accident happened right here. Somebody got hit. Something. There's pieces of debris in the road here. And it's raining even harder here. I don't know what to do about the rain. I need to head home though. Oh, we're gonna get drenched. They must have flipped directions on us. Looks like sunny skies ahead though. Nothing I can do about the accident.